Just the other day I did a live stream drawing session and I wanted to challenge myself by drawing your suggestions. One request, which I received from a viewer named Benjamin, was to draw an F1 race car. But I failed. I failed because the drawing turned out really bad because I've never drawn one before. So this video is my attempt at redemption. For this drawing I'm using some Strathmore layout paper and an HB pencil. I lightly block in the simple shapes of the F1 race car using the same reference photo I used during the live stream. And since I had already drawn a rough sketch of this, I felt pretty comfortable with the structure of the vehicle, making it much easier to determine where things go. Using a ruler and keeping the principles of perspective in mind, I enhanced the drawing with vertical and horizontal lines, remembering to keep parallel lines parallel and focusing on the information that the reference photo is providing. Once my preliminary pencil sketch is completed, I get another sheet of layout paper and place it over top of the drawing. Since this paper is semi-transparent, it is easy to see the drawing through the paper. After securing the new sheet of paper to the drawing table, I grab some Faber-Castell Eco Pigment fiber tip pens to ink with. Now these Faber-Castell Eco Pigment pens feature a special pigmented black ink that is ideal for use on both drawing papers and transparent paper. The ink is both light-fast and waterproof, and the pen's long metal-clad fiber tip works really well with rulers, straight edges, or templates. I will also be using a French curve. A French curve is a template usually made of metal, wood, or plastic and is composed of many different segments of the Euler spiral. It is often used in manual drafting and in fashion design to draw smooth curves of varying radii. To add color to this drawing, I wanted to use Copic markers, but I don't have the necessary colors to even get close to matching the photo reference. So instead, I used some Pentel Color Pen Fine Point color markers. Maybe someday Copic will send me a set to review. Well, I think the markers turned out pretty nice, but I don't think it's good enough. So let me do it again, but this time I'm going to use acrylic paint. me know what you want to see next. Share your suggestions in the comment section below because I'm willing to accept a worthy challenge. Thanks for watching, keep practicing, and we'll catch you next time.